Climb inside the 2010 Honda Ridgeline. This four-door, five-passenger truck has not yet reached the 20,000-mile mark. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget. Like leather upholstery, a built-in garage door transmitter, a rear step bumper, heated seats, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, a trailer hitch, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.